Alright. Now let's continue reviewing for the quizzes. Now we're going to review for quick language, right? Remember today is Friday 8, 2020. Okay, very good. So let's remember, we're going to review first should or shouldn't. Yes? Remember how do we use should or shouldn't? Okay, first of all, remember that we use should when we want to give suggestions, right? Or give an advice. Or give an advice. Yes? Can you give me a suggestion or an advice? Alright, so here we have an example. Give me a minute. Alright, so an example will be like this. You should eat fruit. That will be an example using should. Here I'm giving you an advice or a suggestion. You should eat fruit because fruits are healthy. So you should eat fruit. You should eat fruit. Alright? Another example. We can say you should read this book. That will be another example. You should read this book because the book is good. You're going to learn vocabulary. You're going to learn new words, right? So this is a suggestion. You should read this book. It's good for you to learn more things about science, about history, about math. So you should read this book. It's an advice or a suggestion. Yes? Another one. You should study for the quiz. Okay, you should study for the quiz. That's an advice, and I suggest you to study for the quiz. Remember, when we use should, we always start with you because we're giving suggestions or some advices. So we start using you. We do not say I should, okay, or we should. We say you should study for the quiz. You should read this book. You should eat fruit. You should eat vegetables. Yes? Alright. Okay, so now I'm gonna write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 suggestions or 6 advices using you should. I'm gonna give you time to do this activity. An example, I'm gonna write an example for the first one. You should study English more. See, I suggest you to study more English. Okay? You should study English more. Alright, so now you do 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Remember, suggestions or some advices. For this activity, I will give you some time. I will give you 10 minutes to work on this activity. Alright? Alright, you can start now. Right, you still have 6 more minutes. 6 minutes left. Okay, you can say, remember you start with you should. You should. You should. You should. You should. And you should. Okay, you have 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. You still have 5 more minutes. Okay, for this one, I'm gonna change it. Okay, you should study more English. Sorry for that. Okay, you still have 3 minutes. Thirty seconds.